Hi viewers, welcome you all from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. Today we are going to show you how to prepare Vallarai soup. Ingredients for Vallarai soup: 2 tomato, Vallarai leaves, 1 onion, corn flour 2 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon butter, cumin seed and black pepper powdered 2 teaspoon, garlic cloves around 4 number, small piece of ginger, salt to taste and required oil. We have to remove the leaves from the stem, only the leaves, and we have to chop this one later. See, we have chopped the Vallarai leaves. You have to chop like this. So we have chopped the tomato, chopped the onion, chopped the ginger and chopped the garlic. Keep the pan in flame and add the butter. Going to add the ginger. And the garlic. And onion. See, actually this Vallarai is very good for memory. Then if you are having daily, it will prevent from Alzheimer. For children, you can give this one. It's very good soup. So we have dissolved the corn flour in water. We're going to add the tomato. Whenever you are getting this Vallarai leaf, make use of it. Whatever greens you are getting, just try to use it because it consists of lots of iron. So greens are very good. It's high in fiber content. So make use of it whenever you are getting greens. Don't avoid. We're going to add the Vallarai leaves. So we're going to add the salt. It's cooked now, so you can add required salt as per your taste. So after this we have to add boiling water, approximately 500 ml. So we're going to add with this one. This mixture should boil. Now the mixture is boiling. We're going to add the corn flour with this one. Nicely boiling. Corn flour give you the thickness for the soup. That's it, finished. We're going to remove this one from the flame. We are transferring that one to the bowl. We're going to add the pepper and cumin seed powder on the top. Vallarai soup from Veggie Recipes Blogspot, just for you. Enjoy. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.